everybody, welcome to my channel. I just bought some stuff from Maniology that I thought was super cool and maybe you want to see. Cool nails ahead. That's a really cute sticker. So I bought, there were a couple of sheets of stickers that I thought were really cool. So let's check this one out first. I only got one sticker. I love that. I thought these were really cool. What do you think? Ooh. I just really like those. And these are 1, 3, 4. They had like 4 or 5 like this that I liked. It's just one sheet of sticker. I don't know. It was like $2 and something. But I thought they were really cute. And I wanted to get them. But look at these plates. I love these plates. So retro. This one is The Price is Right from 1974. That's my guesstimate there. Love it. Love it. Love it. But I loved both of these. I thought they were so retro looking and cool. So I'm going to do something fun with that. And then I also got another stamping plate book. I love that. Really cute. And, you know, it's like all the rest of them. It's got 8 pages that hold 2 each. So it holds 16 stamping plates. You know, one on this side, one on this side. So that is fun. Now I know I've done this before. It's been a while, and I don't remember what it's called, but it's kind of like a double stamp. I don't remember what it's called. I'm going to do a gradient, and these are the colors I'm going to use. Sour Apple, Chunk, and Laugh Out Loud. I do not believe LOL is available anymore, but I really love this for just a pale yellow, like a buttery. Chunk was with the kitty cat plate, I believe, and Sour Apple, I have no idea. Okay. And then I'm also going to use Acorn. This is a really nice dark brown. These colors just remind me of the 70s and retro. Yes, I'm that old. And I am not sure when I got these, but I've had them forever. I use them every once in a while. But these are just vinyl acorn. I've got Acorn on my mind now, that polished name. Vinyl aprons that are just like cuticle protectors. I think they still have some sort of this on their site. I know I've gotten tons of them. I've got a whole drawer of them from one place or another. But these I know are from Maniology. They might have been from like a box. Maybe a Halloween box a couple of years ago. And if you missed out on the Box of Night, I did get a sneak peek of this month's Halloween box, or it will be September's box, the Mani by Me box. And you don't want to miss out on that one. So it is a Halloween themed and it looks adorable. Absolutely loving the one that's coming out. I'm telling you now, I usually don't look at the email, but I did this one. And if you love cute Halloween and you missed out on the Box of Night, you don't want to miss this one. All right, got all those applied. And that was the end of those 2 sheets. All right. This is not easy. This is not a technique that is easy. I'm just telling you now, it's not. All right. But I can kind of pick and choose from this plate. If you don't have this plate, M319, you need it. You can do smushies. You can do, actually just stamp a whole cup. Stupid cat, what are you doing? You can actually stamp your base color and it dries like immediately. I love it for gradients, and that's what I'm going to use it for. And you can see the different sizes. So let's just pick one. And I'm going to do a double stamp. So I'm going to start with this plate. And I don't know, this Manny's probably going to be all over the place, but we're going to see. I'm going to start with this acorn color, this dark brown. This doesn't always work out, so we're going to do trial and error, and hopefully we can make this work, because you never know about this technique if you're going to get it right the first time. The cat is crawling on me, so excuse me if I cuss. Yeah, already he's messing with me. Get off me. You made me ruin that. All right, I'm going to start over. I thought he was asleep in his window, but now he's over here destroying something, I'm sure. This scraper is uber chic. I freaking love this scraper. So I'm going to pick, I don't know what he's found. I'm going to pick this up. And I'm going to leave that on the stamper, and then I'm going to do a gradient, and I'm going to pick it up with that. Will it work? I don't know. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. He's just wreaking havoc over here. Hey, what do you got? I was not recording that. Dang it. Damn it, Guylene. I don't know how much I recorded of that. I'm sitting here terrified because this stupid cat is running around here. And I know he's going to scratch my legs. Again, I'm not worried about dragging it all the way down because I'm going to do that to blend. I'm just going to put the polish at the top because I'm going to blend that down. And that's the way that you want it so that you can, you know, get a good gradient blend through there. And that blopped into the other one, but that's all right. Let's just try it. Ooh, that one's going to be cool, I think. Put it on here. I don't know. I think I blended it too much. It's a gradient, but a little too blended. You don't need the gradient plate. You don't have to have the gradient plate. If you have that, that's great. You don't have to do the double process either. Let's just put some polish on a mat. You don't have a mat, use a piece of wax paper, of parchment paper, the inside of a margarine butter lid. Cat's back in here, knocking around something, doing something ridiculous. All right, I'm going to just switch to a regular scraper. Okay. I swear this cat can find anything on the floor and play with it for an hour. All right, so almost flat. You're going to hold it pretty much flat and just blend that. And pick it up with a stamper. Stamp that on your nail. Do it again. Stamp it on my nail. I don't know. I kind of like this one. I mean, I like them all. Love these plates. These are so cool. And let's do this. Since I kind of messed up that first squishy, smushy there. Oh, so cute. And as always, since I don't trust myself to top coat without smudging, yeah, that was stuck. I'm going to paint my no wipe top coat on a stamper and just stamp that on so I know I'm not gonna smudge it. Hey Penny. That's Penny clipping around. The cat must be tormenting her because she came in here to get protected. I'm so distracted by all these hummingbirds too. Use GuyleneXNR if you buy anything from Maniology. I really appreciate it. Be ready for the Christmas box. Coming, I know, in October sometime. Sometime in October. Alright. Thanks, you guys. Bye. What do you think? I love those. I love the hummingbirds. Uh-oh. Got one feeder that's empty. It's okay, baby. Sweetie, that cat is this big. Okay? You are 100 times bigger than that cat. That cat cannot hurt you. I know, he's scary. He's a scary cat. You stop terrorizing the dog and tearing up my stuff, making a mess. I know. I know. I'm almost done. And we'll go outside and play without the cat, okay? I know. I know. It's a scary cat. So scary. He's squeezing in here. I know. I shouldn't laugh at you. You sweet girl. You sweet girl. Yeah, that mean old cat. That mean kitty. See, he's really stupid. He's just really a dumb cat. You're a smart girl. You're a smart dog. You're a smart doggo. Yeah. So much smarter than that cat.